This is a how-to video to replace the laptop LCD screen for an Asus X205T. First, remove the 10 screws that are in the back, which I've already done to save a little time. And you can either use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic scribe like this and gently lift up, apply pressure around the edges to remove the back panel. Until it loosens up enough to take off. This little piece right here also has to be removed, and it just requires a little gentle pressure with the scribe again. Gently flip it over. I've loosened the LCD bezel, but the way you loosen it up is just to run that gently underneath. It's got a little bit of double-sided sticky tape right in here, so it may require a little bit more pressure just at the bottom there. Set that aside, out of the way. There are 4 Phillips screws in each of the corners of this screen. You don't have to remove the LCD assembly from the rest of the computer, but you do need to lay this down or else put pressure on the back of the screen to keep from bending it or breaking it. I'm using a magnetized small head Phillips screwdriver. A precision tool set can work for this as well. Okay, now that that's loose, gently flip it over. Unplug the LCD cable like so. Make sure you match these sides up. Apply even pressure to snap the LCD cable back into place. This does have a protective film over it. I would suggest that you leave it in place until just before you put the LCD bezel back on over the screen. Once you have all 4 screws back in, it's time to put the bezel back on. It's got to set down in there before it'll snap back into place. Once you've got it in, whoops, forgot to take off that plastic film. Okay, and this should just snap right back into place like so. And then just snap the other 2 pieces back into place, replace all the screws that are in the back, and that should do it.